You've definitely seen them. Those tiny animations when you tap a button, toggle a switch, or like a post. They might look small, but they can make or break your user experience. In this video, we'll explore what makes a good microinteraction, when to use them, when not to, and how to design them responsibly even for accessibility. Microinteractions are those tiny animations or responses that happen when a user performs an action, like pressing a button, toggling a switch, or receiving feedback after a task.
Le chat.
They make interfaces feel intuitive, alive, and responsive, like the product is talking back to you. A good microinteraction communicates state changes, provides feedback, and add a touch of personality to your product. They help users feel confident because the interface reacts instantly to what they do. But overuse can backfire. Too many animations or ones that are too long can distract users, slow them down, or feel overwhelming. Microinteractions work best when they have a purpose, not just decoration. Use them to communicate progress, confirm an action, or make transition feel smoother. Ask yourself, does this animation help the user understand what just happened? If not, it might be unnecessary. Every animation should have meaning. It should either guide, inform, or reassure. Here is something many designers forget. Microinteractions can affect accessibility. Fast movement or parallax effect can cause motion sensitivity or discomfort for some users. That's why both iOS and macOS include a reduce motion option in accessibility settings. When reduce motion is on, system animations become simpler. Less zooming, less movement. It's a small feature that makes a huge difference for people with vestibular disorder or motion sensitivity. As designers, we can respect this preference using the CSS media query prefers reduced motion or by offering our own reduced motion setting in apps. Good designs means giving users control. Animations should add clarity, not cause discomfort. Here are a few best practices for creating great microinteractions. Keep them short, under 300 milliseconds for most actions. Use easing curves to make motion feel natural and human. Test them with real users. Something that feels fun at first can becoming annoying after multiple uses. And most importantly, make sure your interface still works perfectly even if animations are turned off. So next time you design a button, think about the feeling it gives. The smallest detail might be the one your user remember most. If you like to see how I actually create these macro interactions in Figma, comment below. That might be my next video. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with other designers who love motion in UI.